Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what's on my iPhone. It's actually just pretty basic. I don't really do a lot of icons to make it look pretty. I just do what works for me personally. But this is just my homepage. There's like barely anything. There's Spotify and another app that I use, but I just put that Spotify widget. I also just like put all of my apps in the app library. I don't know why I like it there rather than on the like phone screen. And these are kind of like all the apps that I use and that are helpful and super fun for me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, I mostly just open up social media and like I add on alarms, and basically if I want to add like an alarm, I would just like say hey Siri and do that. Hopefully it won't trigger that by me saying that. Okay, thank God it didn't. But again, I just keep everything here. I barely use the like health and fitness ones. But if I wanted to open like an app, I would just like know where everything is anyways from the app library, and you can like even search like your apps on the app library, which is why I like it there. But yeah, that's pretty much what's on my phone, just these two widgets. But that's pretty much it, honestly. I think that's all I want to show. If you go to the control center, it's pretty basic as well. I have Shazam just in case I want to know the music that's playing in a store and I don't know what the title of the song is. I would just use the Shazam. In the control center, I also have this one to hear like background sounds. Sometimes I like to hear the rain background sound when it's too loud in like a car or something like that. Also, I'm sorry if I'm like kind of not on it right now. It's because I'm like allergic to something. I don't know. I'm coming down with something, but I'm not coming down with something. I'm just allergic. Anyways, if your iPhone setup is a little bit different, you can comment in the comment section down below what you would add to this empty home screen. I think I used to have like Toy Story, like a themed phone, because like you could add icons to the applications using shortcuts, but I think I was like bored of it and like I wanted to change it and I never got to it, and like it would take like hours to just do that, so I just leave mine plain. I mean, it works for me. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, comment below if you listen to the same podcast, because it's a very fun podcast. Not Spawn, obviously, but yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!